Just like taxes, insurance can impact every corner of your personal finances. It's so impactful that we have its own guide, our insurance guide that you can download separately. But when we look at it, some key areas, your health insurance, there's tax consequences, things that need to be reported on your tax return regarding your health insurance. There are different health plans that you can have that allow you to defer taxes. That can be very tax beneficial. You have your life insurance. One of the best ways to avoid taxes will be in some cash value life insurance, but they have to be used properly. You have to be able to qualify. You need to be eligible to get a life insurance policy. You have your homeowner's insurance, which can be your condo, renters, any of those forms, which will insure the properties that you have. Are you paying too much for them? Do you have the wrong types? Do you have auto insurance? It's required in 48 out of 50 states to drive. But are you using just enough to get by, or are you covering what you need? Are you over covering too much for what you need? You have your umbrella insurance, the personal liability insurance, which basically covers you from your assets if you were to get sued. Now, if you don't have a lot of assets, you may not need an umbrella policy. But if you have a lot of assets, you have rental properties, you have different areas where your exposures can be higher, its most effective and cost-effective form is to have an umbrella policy to protect that. Other insurances are covered in extensive detail in the guide. One thing that people pay a fortune on is covering their phones. You may pay $12, $13 a month, which could be less than what the actual renter policy could be on insurance that has a endorsement that covers your phone and all of your goods. So again, there's anything that's out there can be insured. But if you're insuring multiple ways, the same thing, multiple policies, it's a lot of waste. So looking at the entire insurance in a vacuum as individual pieces is how you end up over-insuring. But you want to make sure you have enough insurance. We're able to look at that and address all of that from a tax impact and from an overall financial health impact. Check out the guide and download it.